Aracyari Sankara da Premier umva. Nyuma ya MC Greasy dutangira filime y'umwaka yiswe Freakish episode 7 atagira ucikwa. Bana bikinyesha na MC Greasy. Skia amapiano. Jana zibihe byose. Abana baje. Right. Skia. MC Greasy. Bana bepfiri yasha baje. Nasiga magara mu magano rigaragaza pretty girl inanda gush Bise Freakish tangira 7 gusha pretty girl indani ninge nawe yeah so yeah rikatubine now shake your bum so yeah mbele maza tubyine Skia. Right. Karimbo neza nyuma. MC Greasy arigenya musange firiya hari maraterura. Amatafari nashaka kuba umufundi. One ubutuza bwaturutse. Ari dore ntukimenya aho bibera. Skia. Ubo kwifunga funze uzikora ifari forever. Mora nkurabura nkuko bisanzwe utazabura rika Yuwikora umedita umenye uko zikinwa Nyereka iyo body ureba ibyo nyikora Mfite uko mbikora ibitendo Yampite uko mbikora ibitendo Itonde gato fata ko kunywa kunama gato efata mano inkaragira tonight ukore maji Sogea mbere Deka tubyina turya show hamwe na MC Greasy na Sankara da Premier Sogea mbere dutangira Right Nuko tutangira episode 7
I'm freakish.
Inchamake kuri Freakish
We don't have any sleeping gas.
Nango dufite imyuka yasinziriza zera zombies Harimo ibyo twabonye ubushize
Well, I can make some.
Ariko nyina bakorera gas yasinziriza zombies
What about myself?
Nanya ndajayo
Point of risking more than one person.
Oya dutureka ajyayo umwe
So you know, I trained in gymnastics for half.
Oya nitoje rwose bya gym najyayo twabonye abakobwa ubwo Violet yitaga zombie Byo dukeneye murabizi cyane turabifite Kumba zombie nayo
To make a thermite bomb.
And what are you
wakoze igisasu
suggesting?
none wapanga iki
Only that you might have been responsible for the entire disaster.
Ati icyorezo cyateye cyangwa se ibibazo byabaye wabigize mu ruhare Wibuka umukobwa
These are way too loud.
abasasa hakuno nabo
Every freak in the
bari
show.
barapanga buryo kibashaka kudu masoka muri kigo cy'ishuri bakaba bajyanze barebe ahantu hari amahombo y'amazi barebe ko mu kigo hagera amazi
Pretty much.
Jeza cyane
You're so dead.
yewe turasa n'abapfu kabisa dore hanze uruganda rwarimo imyuka ya kirimbuzi cyangwa imyuka y'uburozi rwaraturitse ahantu hose harangirika abari hanze bose barinutse za zombie aba nabo gukira nuko bari mu kigo cy'ishuri sasa mugenzi cya Dizo
No, I said I'm not thirsty.
oya nta myota mfite akunda gufasha umukobwa
Liar.
kubera ko atwite oya uri umwimbeshya amazi urayakeneye inywere
I've left.
nta usigaranye se ntubigire ikibazo
Thank you.
urakoze ni natari mugenzi kananga dore ibya zombie hanze Madiricya bateye ibiti n'iki byose yewe ndukiye ko turi abanyamahirwe kuba twarasigaye natwe ni iby'iminsi mike amazi yabuze sasu nawe
That's the knockout gas?
yewe yo gaza akoze niyo yatuma zombi zisinzira
It's strong shit.
ati rakomeye birenze ko mbikeka ifite imbaraga yigaze
So we chucked that into the shelter.
It evaporates
none dushaka aho tuzinagatana
and the freaks go down.
Yeah, so do we.
ati turamusiraze muri za zombi zahwera akanya tukajya gushaka amahombo tukabona amazi
No, the gas is heavier than the air.
ati gazi nakoze iremereye kurusha umwuka usanzwe duhumeka oxygene.
So we wait for the freaks to fall asleep, the ether will settle, and then we'll go inside and get the mask.
ati gisigaye nta kindi zombi turazinaga muri za zombi zini zisinzira twambare za mask tujyanze kuba twakora amahombo y'amazi.
Simple enough.
Ndumva byoroshye.
Has to be a better way.
Oh, sure.
maze mwavuze mu buryo
We
bworoshye.
die of thirst.
none se wa mukobwa ko urimo arabyoroshya twicwe n'inyota. Mukobwa afite ubwoba bwo kuba yajya hanze, hari ukwanga kujya hanze nabwo kwicwa n'inyota. Mukobwa niwe mushimisite bafite n'abakozi hano yavaza ama produits.
Need to pick who's doing this.
Mwana duhita mari bujyanze bro. Sasa hano araho bafunze hari bya zombies. Buri kanya yo kubita umuryango. Tayari dutangiye episode ya 7 ya Frikishi. Nakubwira aracyari Sankara na Premier umva kuva muri GT Business Group hatagira
I
ucikwa.
am telling you, we have nothing.
Na ndimo ndababwira nta kintu dufite.
Nope.
Sasa uyu musore Barrett arukuna ajya avuga n'abantu bari hanze arimo arakubufasha.
Water, no way out.
Nta mazi nta buryo dufite bwasohoka hano.
Your situation is unfortunate.
Ati rwose situation muri mo yurumvikana ariko nta kintu twabafasha. Sasa yuko yakarasanga Barrett. Nibuka Barrett abantu avugana nabo arabihisha. Mugomba kudufasha.
No, Zulu.
Kumbe
Oh.
Grover Jones kwinjira.
It.
Sawa.
Okay.
Sawa sawa.
Mayday.
Akarajya
We are 7 survivors at Kent High School.
twasigaye turi abantu bakize barindwi kuri cyaje cy'ishuri Kent High School.
Do you read?
Muranyumva? Ndakumva avuga ni mudamu. Mayday. Turakumva over.
Holy shit.
Mwanda wera. Sasa uyu musore kuva na mbere
Contact
yajyaga avugana n'abantu bari hanze bivuze ngo hari abandi bantu bakize ariko akabisha bagenzi be.
somebody.
Gira umuntu muri kuvugana.
I know someone hurt us.
How long
Tanga byakuna abantu twumvishe.
has it been working?
Umaze igihe kingana iki iyi radio ikora ubiduhisha. Ngo
I literally
ojya tujyane bivuga neza. Sasa uyu energy ya mu kigo.
here's been in contact with somebody.
Manu uyu musore amaze igihe kinini aravugana n'abantu bari hanze.
You're kidding.
Urimo nambecha se?
We just fixed it. I was asking for
Nibwo radio nyikora rata.
help and I got someone.
Niba ndakumva teteka. Boss nta muntu umwizera.
What do you do?
Yakoze biki?
I got someone on the
Stop.
Narumuna teteka wivuga.
Walked in and he was talking to somebody on the radio.
Ninjiye mu cyumba yarari musanga arimo aravuga kuri radio avugana n'undi muntu.
Somebody that he knew.
Kandi umuntu bavuganaga basaga nkaho baziranye.
What should we do with him?
None tumukorera iki?
We listened. He just said he found help.
Ariko si byavuze avuze ko yarimo aradushakira ubufasha byo ntakibazo kirimo.
Shit. I heard you talking to someone earlier.
Ariko nanjye ubushize nakumvishe urimo aravugana n'umuntu.
You
Bivugana ka violence muri episode ya 5 ka musaza arimo aravugana n'umuntu akagira agasaza.
understood what you thought you heard.
Sase mushaka kuba mwarebeshe ubwo mwacetse ko
Is
mwumvishije.
it?
Bya yari nde mwavuganaga?
I am telling you, I am just trying to help us.
Ndimo ndabwiza ko irimo aragerageza kuba nabura ubufasha.
We don't need your help.
Nta bufasha bwa dukeneye baramurambiwe.
Oh my god, I forgot.
Nani bagena
Vodka. We're all saved.
Oh, it's
ubwo
stronger
twabaye inzoga twese dufite
Than
umutekano.
you think.
Ati ibyo nakoze bironze ko bikeka.
The potion. You honestly believe a bunch of genetic freaks
Wa
are
mukobwa nagize urore ko abantu baretse za zombies.
just gonna sniff that?
Afunguye gaze. Banga cyihumeka. Nabahita hwera. Ubukobwa uraha. Abana bipfuka ku mazuru. Egerayo gicika intege gaze bakoze mbanzi ikora. Sasa ko bano bakaryamye. Basigaje kumenya baradagwiga za zombi ryari.
I'm fine. I'm just dizzy.
Yewe meze neza nuko mfite ubute gusa.
Just drink some.
Kamwe ku mazi.
until he wakes up.
Basi barafata igihe kingana kugira akanguka.
It's on malaria evaporation rate. 20 minutes.
Nkurikije nagiye mvanga byanga byakunda shaka kwa yahwera iminota 20.
So she says.
Bivuze ngo
Careless. You know we're not your guinea pigs.
yewe yanagare nguburi munashya nazo.
It's meant to get buried.
Ubwo yahwera yari umuntu.
You had it coming.
Yarabiziko biri bubi.
No, I didn't.
Ariko ntago nari mbizi.
Point is, you lost your temper.
Yewe icyo kingingo nimwe warakaye.
It was risky and at Diesel's expense.
Ati byakoze na dizo shaka yamgira ingaruka.
Screwed up, okay?
Sana koza makosa.
My bad.
Ni bibi kibaye ibyo nakoze.
Jesus.
Tangira gushwana. Sasa Groove akurya ka violate.
Hey,
Yewe.
why are you so upset?
Barakazwa niki?
Well, apparently I have a temper.
Yewe burakari nabwo abura kubugira.
It was a mistake.
Habaye ubutamenya.
First,
Ati nubwo amena ngo ziriya gaze no baremo nanisha umutwe.
I can't keep doing this.
Ntago nakomeza kubana n'abantu nk'aba.
Doing what?
Ukora iki se?
Just losing my shit.
Rwose kwitera icyizere. Karimo karakora ibyabafashiriza hamwe barimo baragatesha umutwe. Kumbe hakuno.
Whoever finds this.
Uzabona ubu butumwa. Sasa abakobwa bose batangiye kwitera icyizere, amatelefone marashira mu muriro, gufata akavido ka nyuma kugira ngo abazatora telefone bazumva ubutumwa bwa nyuma.
My name is Violet Adams.
Ati amazina yanjye nitwa Violet Adams.
And everything that happened.
Kandi byabaye byose.
The explosion at the plant.
Uguturika kwa ruriya ruganda plant.
The whole disaster.
Icyorezo cyose cyabaye cyangwa ibyago byabaye.
It was all my fault.
Byose byari amakosa yanjye. Ese byagenze biti?
I swear, I'm not the genocidal type.
Ndabarahira rwose sijye muntu mubi wajya kurimbura abantu.
I was just trying to blow up a car.
Nari ndimo nagereza ko guturitsa imodoka y'umuntu. Hari umuntu wame mu cyaro ashaka gutwika imodoka ye. Birangira n'uruganda rwarimo ama product chimique, imyuka y'uburozi ruturitse.
Cherry red pickup of a cheating asshole.
Nakundanaga n'umusore twaga Cherry, mbirangira niba namufata nti nyuma.
Worked at the plant.
Kandi yakoraga ku ruganda.
No, Zane. If you think you can use me and get away with it.
Sasa umukobwa mwibuka episode ya mbere tangiye hari umuntu wavugana yitwaga Zeni, yaramubwiye ati Zeni niba wumva ko wankoresha, uwarenze ukanjugunya gutyo gusa.
You may want to look up
Ntago wagenda gutyo gusa.
at the parking lot.
Naho ushaka kujya muri parking urebye nagukoze. Sasa yari afite umusore bakundanaga, yamuciye inyuma navuga ati ntago warangiza kunkoresha ngo ugende gutyo gusa. Ariko ibyo sibyo by'ingenzi.
I did this.
Nege wabikoze njyateye ibibazo. Gutuma abantu bahinduka za zombies.
I'm responsible for all of it.
Rwose ibi byose amakosa n'ayanjye. Nige nyirabayazana.
And I'm sorry.
Kandi mumbabarira siga ka video ka nyuma.
I'm really sorry.
Rwose mumbabarire bimvuye ku mutima. Bose amatelefone atangiye gushira mu muriro bazi igicere cyo cyose. Naho bahinduka. Abazatora amatelefone wenda.
Right.
Bano sasa baritegura kwambara. Dabi parishoke contre shoke. Afa.
So, Diesel's messed up.
Okay, that leaves us.
Mwana dizo yawereye. Dosigaye twe bane.
3. Me, you, and Violet.
Aterije nawe na Violet na n'uyu mukobwa Zoe.
Fought them before. I can do it again.
Ayewe narwanya na za zombi bwa mbere nako nyangarwana nazo.
Cool, you don't want to do this.
Shiri nagwa abijyamo.
Look, baby, just...
Okay, I get what you're trying to say, but who just got all the chemicals?
Exactly.
Yewe dufite amashimike ama produit chimique menshi.
You just took a huge risk.
Yewe yabari risk ya danger ugiye gufata.
Violet,
Violet knows about the ether, you don't. Just...
Uriya mukobwa azi byinshi utazi tuzi.
relax.
could you just have a little faith in me?
Hase kukitajungirira icyizere.
Look, we got this.
Abaye mukono wigira ikibazo turabikemura.
It's okay.
Ntugire ikibazo.
Fine.
Sawa.
I'll be with Natalie.
Sawa n'abana na Natali karivumbura. Barangije bana baritegura.
In the dead center of the room, 20 feet in.
Igicerewe no kunagamo indani ubundi byahwera tukinjiramo indani.
I don't know about this.
Hey, you got this.
Mwana witinya bro turabikora.
Come on.
Hereza urucupa rwa gaze. No gufungurana bakiragamo indani. Tayari.
On 3.
Tubare gatatu. Rimwe.
2.
Kabiri. Gatatu. Sasa abyinjamo barakinga. Nazemo indani gicupa. Uyu ko bagafunguye agacupa yahumetseho gatarahwera. Aragaruka ejuru.
Radio asshole.
Nenda ari ku radio amusenzi we. Icyadizo. Wayeshenje.
Hey, hello, Mayday.
Sasa mugeze Natali yaje hakuno kuri radio ahamagara yumve yuko hari yakumvikana n'abandi bantu baba barakize. Ibi byateye hari amahirwe wapi?
Static.
Whoever he was talking to.
Nta sinyare ntago turi kumva indi minara.
You're not going in?
Yewe ntago wajyemo indani.
Wanted to go, but Sean tried to talk me out of it.
Narata kwinjiramo indani muri gahunda ariko usheri wanjye arambuza.
I'm sure he was just trying to protect you.
Ariko ibyo yakoze byose ashaka kurinda.
I don't need saving.
Ntago nyene umuntu njye uncunga.
You're a cheer captain. You can run a 40.
Wikivugisha ibyo ngibyo nawe udakunda ubuzima ariko niba ufite umuntu kwitaho nabyo ni byiza.
He still treats me like a diva.
Amfata nk'akana. Abana n'umuntu wo kugikoca n'uwo mu gikoco.
You don't think he respects you?
Ndetse arakeka atakubaha.
He worships me.
Ahubwo aranansingiza.
That's not the same thing.
Yare ni ibyo nyine yabikeneye muri iyi si.
Yeah, I know.
Ndabizi. Kumba abakobwa bicaye.
Got real quiet real fast.
Mwana ndumva hacecetse cyane indani.
Check the boxes in the back.
Ka tujye kureba amakarita ari inyuma.
To the left.
Groove arajya kuri amakarito harimo za mask.
Get the masks. We get out as fast as we
Dufata za mask dusohoke byihuse.
sinks.
Baramutse bafite za mask bakonya bakajya hanze bakaba bajya gutunganya amahombo y'amazi.
If anything,
Indani bakabona amazi.
you have to close that door.
Wa mukobwa wowe urasigara haramutse hagize ikibi indani aho kugira dupfe twese wakinga umuryango tugapfiramo turi babiri. Bamaniga barangije. Fata ihombo. Kumbe bya zombi byahwereye umukobwa yakoze. Byakoze bya nyabyo. Yitonze. Ndani. Zombi zose zahwereye. Tayari. Kombo yu. Dizo ari hano. Nganda.
Natalie!
Natalie.
Zoe.
Ni Barrett.
Barrett. He's moving.
Ari marabuja.
What?
Ngo?
Oh, shit.
Nganda.
I thought she said it would last 20 minutes.
Uriya mukobwa yavuze ko umuti bwe yawumetse biramara minota 20.
The freaks in the fallout shelter are gonna start waking up.
Bivuze ngo na za zombi bahwereje ninacha 5 minutes zaratanga zikanguke.
Violet's timing is way off. I have to warn them.
Yero tugiye Violet bitegure ko nazo zigiye kukanguka nimba ari n'uwinjiyemo indani bamumenyeshe. Sasa bano bari muri za zombi indani ntago bazi zombi ziwera igihe kingana iki ntibazi buriya gaze iraziwereza iminota ingahe bari bashaka za mask. Yo kugira gutya tayari ko bashaka za mask yagize gutya aribyo yaguyeho mwanda bana no baza bihuta babwiye ko wari wahwereye hejuru nawe yagarutse hejuru uyu kuzigeraho nawe gaze yamubanye nyinshi yayihumetse tangira gucika intege ni Grover Jones. Violet.
Barrett's waking up right.
Barrett yakangutse.
Can't be.
Ntabwo byashoboka.
Stay here.
Gumana.
Don't.
Violet umva. Basore.
Gotta go.
Musoge nona.
Let's get out now.
Kumbura imindani we yahwereye bene nabyo bitangira kuganguka. Gaze yabishizemo. Uko bikanguka ruri imindani. Barrett ugiye akinga vuba. Bano bakingaho bakinjana mugenzi wabo. Reba filime sasa.
Or worse.
Uko wakinze rase n'inyungura tugapfa twese.
God, they're gonna kill him.
Biramwica tu. Ana Nyagasani.
We can't leave him in there.
Ntabwo twamareka umva. Haramahita mufite.
This is all my fault.
No,
Byose ni amakosa yanjye.
Nah, don't think like that.
Ibitekereza
What
gutya.
am I supposed to think? We
None nabitekereza iki.
could have done something.
Nakaba yaragize icyo nkora. Aho kugira ngo bapfe bose hapfa umwe. Tayari. Maniga ari mindani.
Hey,
Barrett gukanguka.
easy, you're okay.
Ye bigenze gake.
Barrett.
Barrett. Kujejuru.
Okay, come on.
Sawa, mena na musenzi.
Just show us the radio.
Kwereke shaye bya radio tubwira mwavuganaga uyu najaiza ni Dizo. Maniga we najaiza.
I swear they were on this frequency before.
Umva bari bari kuri uyu murongo kuva na mbere.
Yeah, and what they say.
Not much.
Tubwira ibyo bavuze.
All I heard was copy can I.
And who were you talking
Bavuga ijambo kopi gusa.
to before that?
We don't know
Uretse kuki utabitubwiye kuva na
that
mbere.
he was.
That's what Grover said.
Grover
Ibyo ndio Grover yavugaga.
overreacted.
Grover yarakaye pe yagize umurya wihuza.
Yeah.
Baraho. Ko baraho.
Did you hear that?
Mwabyumvishe cyangwa.
I hope to God that's a rat.
Asanga ari n'imbeba wana.
Sounds like it's coming from the lobby.
Baza ari kintu avuye muri laboratoire.
Give me your phone.
Wemereza telefone yawe.
Be careful.
Yewe ubaka ya full witonde. Arangije Maniga nawe zimuzana hakuno. Urebe amuritse niyagira icyo abona.
See.
Yewe urabona iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo bana.
Could have just been.
Kumbi imbere ye. Zombie yaciye muri parafo. Dore ngwira gwa hakuno sasa. Ifata dizo. Shinga menyo. Tayari kubita tindo. Bose baratangira. Bayikingira n'indani muri studio. Hey.
Wait, did he get you?
Mwana. Yakurumye cyangwa yambaye igikote kinini.
It didn't go through.
Ntago amenyo yaciyemo.
I can't stand here forever. Stay here.
Aragumano bana. Dizo arakomeza. Tayari. Kumbu uyu nawe kugira gutya. Maniga kugaruka ejuru. Dore ngo biramubona sasa. Dore icyo bita kuraburiza. Maniga aratangira. Cyo bita de buriyaje kwicu. Gushaka inzira. Byazomira byinshi. Turore. Tayari Maniga na paramira. Mana we. Tayari. Hano hari utwumba bari barateguye mu gihe cyasubwa n'abantu. Munsi y'ikigo harimo ubutanda.
We have to do something.
Tugomba kugira icyo dukora.
They're afraid of fire, right?
No.
Babira bintu bitinya umuriro.
The gas will explode and we'll
Gaze yahita iturika rero sasa.
kill him too.
Jaye nawe yapfiramo. Sasa gaze bashizemo ni ngizi gaze ziteka n'ubundi.
Guys, listen.
Bretse umva. Bumva guruba arimo arakufasha.
Open the door!
Ukingura umuryango. Yakangutse. Mumfashe. Maniga yakangutse aracyakwepana nabyo. Ni hejuru ku bitanda. Bwa butana bwo muri nterina. Ukingura umuryango.
We need to do something.
Ngiye kumwita tugira icyo dukora.
10 minutes we make a plan. So what
Tubanza dukora umupango.
we do?
None dukora iki?
I got an idea.
Mfite igitekerezo.
Probably not. Come on.
Baretse gataza ngareka mfata hakuno intebe. Bitonze. Barangije. Bazana ubutebege ndabisunika. Tayari ko bagabyeje hirya. Maniga aramanuka. Naho bagaruka inyuma. Tayari bakinga umupangu urakuzamina.
This seriously better work.
Mwana mukoza akazi keza kabisa. Yabuze gato. Sasa hakuno.
So did you get through to anyone?
Yari umuntu kuri radio mwavuganye se?
On the radio?
Kuri radio.
Reception was spotty.
Byanga byakunda muri reception.
To start.
Byaro gutangira.
Why weren't you more upfront with it earlier?
No use.
Akazi byaro gamije kuva kare.
People just want to see me fail.
Ate abantu bashaka kumona ntsindwa.
No.
Oya.
People expect the most out of you because you can do the most out of any of us.
Atsibye ko abantu iyo teke bagufitiye ikizera bazi ko bakora ibirenze yuko zubuswa rero niyo mpamvu bose baguhinduka.
Maybe.
Ati wenda wasanga ibyo uvuga ari byo.
And no one has my back.
Sibye ko nta n'umuntu n'umwe undi inyuma.
It's not true.
Ntago ariko kuri.
It's easy for you to say.
Ati biroroshye kubivuga nkawe. Atari kuri kumwe na Alicia wowe. Bakira aho. Hey!
The hallway's clear.
Hano se atunganye.
Come on. We need to.
Mwararebe iki tugende tuve hano hakiri kare. Abo ko bakaje. Paka hakuno. Hamwe muri dining hamwe bariraga.
Guys,
Bavandi. Ubwo bonana amaraso.
we have to get out of here.
Tugomba tuvana. Kumbe. Sasa hano hari. Are chaje. Mwana hakurya ari. Chambara. Bareti. nagigira na shani mukobwa gishinga icyuma mu mutwe Kazowi.
What just happened?
I just did that.
That was badass.
Biratangaje pe. Bose hey. Sasa haku nino. Za mask wazanye ni nyinshi. Kujanze niba umeke birabyuka nabyo nande mahirwe.
Spoils the victory.
Tunga mako bw'intsinzi mwana.
Getting out of here.
People, you don't
Cyo umuntu ariko yavana.
understand. This dude had no chance.
Seriously.
Vale mwana amahite mwana na amahirwe yarafite gusa. Ayo kabisa.
He just came up. It was like Lazarus.
Gana yaje ariko arameze nka Lazaro uzutse. Gasekamo.
Speech.
Yeah, speech.
Muvuge, gira icyo uvuga.
I can honestly say I've never felt so lucky.
Ariko mu byukuri sinavuga ko ndi umunyamahirwe. Ariko nuko byagenze.
And so scared shitless.
Bwari ubwa mbere agize ubwa muzima bwanjye bwose. Baraseka mugenzi. Kumbe Kazowi. Koko isha zombie gafite ubwoba.
Baby,
Yewe.
are you hiding here?
Kuki wihisha hano?
Want some privacy?
Nashaka ahantu njya mba ni njyenyine.
For me?
Uhunga njye se?
Everybody?
Guhunga buri umwe.
Want to talk about why?
Wambwira impamvu se?
Saved Barrett's life today.
I know you're
Ati natabaza ubwa Barrett uyu munsi.
telling everyone.
Ariko arimo arabwira buri umwe.
You fought like a champion.
Ati warwanye rwose nk'umuntu ufite intsinzi muri we.
I don't get it.
Ntabwo byumva.
I killed somebody today.
Uyu munsi nishe umuntu.
Baby was a freak.
Oya ntabwo yari umuntu yari zombie.
Days ago, I was a human being.
Nubwo yari zombie ariko iminsi ibiri ishize yari umuntu nk'abandi.
2 days ago, they all were.
Ati n'abandi bose bagiye bapfa iminsi ibiri ishize niko bari bameze.
Come here.
Birano. Oya ndekwana wamnyumva. Shaka kuba ndi njyenyine. Kuburi wenyine. Buriya abazungu bajya discipline uvuga ati pakanyara guhunga. Tabo ufite akantu ko gutoroma ukankoma nk'icupa. Bano ko bari abino bintu bahume cyangwa za mask.
I'm so glad you're still here.
Nuko se ndishimye ko bukiri hano. Katangiye kamupinga.
The hell?
Binekira?
What?
Iki?
These filters are all shot. Rotted out.
Ati bino bintu bahumekera byose byarangiritse.
What?
Bono filters bawuca mu mwuka.
Look.
Bwaraboze do. Bwose bwaramunzwe. Kujya hanze biracyari ngora abahizi.
All of them except this one.
Byose usibye iki ngiki. Bivuze ngo wajya hanze yagenda umwe.
So only one of us can leave.
Bivuze ngo umwe muri twe ni ugomba kubaho. Hey! Ninde uri busohoke? None ninde uri busohoke? Cyo nicyo kibazo. Baraguba n'amazi cyangwa. Nakubwira cyari Sankara da Premier wumva. Ndace karindwa ruko igenze. Nimuze guti ku ya 8 yari Sankara da Premier wumvaga abagenda bakora cyane cyane Hasta la Vista.